Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be doing something different because I saw this trending video on YouTube. Everybody be like going to their worst reviewed makeup artists in their city. So I thought to myself, I was like, this is fun, why not just do it? So today I'm going to be going to the worst reviewed makeup artists in my city. So let's go. Okay guys, I just got here now, so I'm going inside. Morning. Hello.
Good morning, good morning.
Please, who is the makeup artist here? Hello. Good look I want to do.
Okay.
Can you recreate it?
Yes, I can do it.
Okay. Let's get started. How long will it take you?
1 hour 30 minutes.
1 hour 30 minutes. Just wait it. No, I'm not sure you're true with the eyes. Let me show you. You know what I showed you, man? Look at it. Look at my eyes and look at it. Are you not seeing? How can this thing be the same thing, madam? Are you not seeing it? See, her eyes look dark, but my own doesn't. Are you not seeing it? This is what I'm going to pay you 5,000 here.
No.
Is that all? Madam, come. You don't have the same lips. It's plenty. Madam, please come and blend this your lips. Blend it. Okay, blend it. I thought you just use this on my face. What kind of design is this? Don't you have one?
I don't have. It's only this food that I have.
And you're charging 5,000 for this kind of flashes. What glue are you using, madam?
What do you want? I should use this one for you.
Because I'm going to take it off immediately. actually just got back. I just finished wiping my face. Like, my face is on fire. So there are a lot of things wrong with that makeup. That makeup was supposed to be a cut crease, but she didn't even cut my crease at all before. And the shadow on the outer V was supposed to be built up so that to give you that dark effect, and she was supposed to mix it with black to make that outer V very dark, and she didn't even build it, nothing at all. And to talk about the lash, do you know she gave me a used lash to use for me after paying like 5,000 naira. She expected me to use, she wants me to use an already used lash. Who does that? I mean, you literally need to see the designs of her lashes. Very archaic. I just couldn't deal with it. So that's the story of my worst makeup artist in my city.